Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Discovery HSE Luxury in Byron Blue. This car's a 3-litre diesel, it's previously had one owner and is next due for a service in December 2021. As this is an approved used vehicle, you have approved warranty for a minimum of 12 months alongside 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So if we take a look round, you've got LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, giving the car a modern exterior. 22-inch 5-split spoke satin dark grey diamond tone finish alloys. And going into the back, you can see you've got plenty of space there for 3 passengers, along with ISOFIX brackets, ideal for families. Rear seat entertainment, which is perfect for younger children. A powered tailgate, handy if you've got your hands full, and as you can see you've got plenty of space there in the boot, along with 2 extra seats which can be controlled electrically, which is perfect if you often have extra passengers. An electrically deployable tow bar which saves time and effort attaching one and is great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. Going into the front of the vehicle, you have Discovery tread plates and a lovely ebony leather interior. Panoramic roofs, and the one at the front does also open, which is really nice on a sunny day or for some fresh air. So inside the car you've got memory seats, perfect if there's several people driving the vehicle, a Meridian surround sound system for better quality sound, blind spot monitor which is perfect for motorway driving, controls on your wheel including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, along with a heated steering wheel which is definitely a must, especially in winter. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go. You can also change the layout of your screen, view your vehicle settings, vehicle information, media and driver assistance. 10-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone, along with a 360-degree surround camera. You do also have a normal rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier. Ambient lighting with a few different colours to choose from, which looks effective especially in the dark. And you can also control your tow bar from inside the car, which saves you even having to get out. Heated and cooled front seats, practical for winter and summer, ensuring every journey is luxury. Different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving. Grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl. Or you can push it back down for auto. And finally, a cooler compartment, which is practical if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Throughout the car you have a titanium mesh trim finisher, just giving the interior a sleek finish. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Discovery. This car's done 18,943 miles. If you're interested in the car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.